Okay, gentlemen, welcome to the M&M Model Railroad. As you can see, we're still under construction. As you can see, I'm over here playing with my trains outside right now. And you can see, got the good old 404 fired up and running, smoking bitterly. As you can see, I got a slight mess over there for some kind. Did some damage over there. I'm not sure why. As you can see, all the nice trains are running beautifully. I have a surveying team out here, and they're out estimating, planning, and getting things ready so I can start building. As you can see, I don't really have much room here on top of the patio. I'm up three flights of stairs, so I'm happy with the 404. It seems to be running beautifully. Oops, sorry.